So here's a bad situation I have where I have the wrong PEM key for my instance. I made this instance basically about a week ago or something, and I copied all the files from my old instance because I lost the PEM key to that one. And what happened was the old PEM key in authorized hosts got copied to this one, and so my new PEM key doesn't work. So I have to do this all over again. And so what I'm going to do is make a new instance here and then dismount the storage from this old instance and mount the storage to my new instance and copy all the files. So let's go ahead and do that and show you guys how it works. So you can save the files from your old instance and copy them to your new one. It's not that hard. The first thing you want to do is make a new instance. So this one's running. This is our old instance. We'll ignore it for now. And make a new instance. Let's see. Let's make a new one. Launch instance. Don't want to do that. Let's do this. Okay, so that is how you make a new one. I'm going to use this one here. I like Amazon Linux. It's pretty good. Micro, 1 CPU, 1 gig of memory. That'll work fine. Details, blah, blah, blah. Don't care about that. I know we can get 30 gigs of storage for free, so let's go 30 gigs. I don't care about tags. Port 22 is okay for now. I could add more of these later. Okay, so review and launch. Blah, blah, open to the world. Let's launch this thing. Boom. Okay, key pair. Select a key pair, existing key pair. Boy, I hate keys. Create a new key pair. That's how we'll do that. Download it. There it is. Launch the instance. It's launching. Okay, so it's making this new one here. With the old one, since I can't log into it, I'm gonna detach storage from it. So that one's selected. Let's detach the storage. I remember how to do that. Go down here to storage. I think I want to go into volumes here. Okay, there we go. And actually, I'm not sure which one's which. Okay, there we go. Created July 11, created July 6. So let's detach this one. Actions, detach volume. Yes, detach it. Okay, I have to shut down the instance, so let's do that. Let's go to actions. Let's do this here. Let's turn off this one here. I'm going to shut it down. You don't want to terminate it because that will kill the volume, so you basically just want to shut this thing down. So go back into instances, and this one is not initializing. This is the old one. So here I'm gonna shut it down. Let's do a stop on it. Don't do a terminate. That'll kill your volume. Just stop it. I probably could have forced the dismount on this thing, but that's rather messy, so let's do it the nice way here and stop this one. So yes, we'll stop the old instance. We'll take the volume off, and we'll mount the volume to the new instance. This maybe takes about 10 minutes. It doesn't take that long, really, and the files copy fast. Since I have them both in US West 2A, they're going to be fast copies, so it's not a problem. I just got to quit killing off my PEM file or overwriting it when I copy files and keep this thing good. I almost want to make this thing public access again and restrict the access to certain IPs and just use a username again. I really hate PEM files. I mean, they are secure, but if you lose them, you're done. Okay, that thing is stopped. Let's go down to storage now. Where's our storage here? There it is, volumes. Okay, this volume here was made July 6th. We want to dismount this volume, so we detach it. There we go. Now it should simply take it off. Takes a bit of time. Okay, that looks done. So now we're going to go to this volume again. We'll say, I think we can attach this thing now. Modify, attach it, yes. So, let's see what we can do here. Instance or service tag stopped running right there. Okay, so this thing is going to be SDF. So you might want to take a picture of this or memorize it. Just remember, it's going to be SDF. Let's attach it. Okay, so now we're going to have two devices on this new instance. This old volume is going to be called SDF. Okay, let's mount it. Now, I want to get the IP of my new instance here. So let's do that. Let's go back to instances here. Images, volumes, let's see, instances, there we go. Let's get the IP of this one. Here it is, blah, blah, blah. There we go, and let's get on this one now. SSH 2 minus I. Oh, that's not going to work. EC2 user at 18.237.70.60. And it works, thank goodness. Okay, so let's mount this thing here. Actually, this didn't work. So I have to delete this old fingerprint. Oh, it's the key. Okay, let's fix the key. Okay, let's try it again. And I'm not going to get in. Let's see what I can set this thing to do. Bad permissions. Let's see, AWS. AWS PEM key permissions. Which is what? I thought it was 600 or something like that. I can't find it. Okay, connecting to it, blah, blah, blah. Change mod. Okay, it's a 400, not a 6. Let's change it to 400. Details, right? Now we'll get in there. Boom. Still denied. This puts me at a loss of how I get in this thing now. Still denied. Didn't I mention I don't like these keys? EC2 user. And the public IP, did I type it wrong? Let's see, 18.237.70.60. It's not going to work, so I'll probably have to make another instance and try it again. Not sure why this doesn't work, unless permission's wrong. AWS PEM file. So I'm using a Mac, if that matters. Okay, this guy is trying to get in here. Let's see what he says. He tried 600. What am I doing here? Easily solved. 400. That's what I did. And let's try to get in now. Okay, well, it's not going to work, so I'm going to